I got 310 subscribers from just one video. One video gave me 310 subscribers. See, for a small YouTuber, this is a big win for me. Like, oh God, you don't know how many years I've been struggling on YouTube. If you know how many years, up to like 3 years, posting videos, begging people, begging friends and family, please subscribe to my channel, please like and subscribe. But still yet, people don't subscribe. But just one video, people started subscribing by themselves, willingly. I didn't beg anybody, come and subscribe, please. If the video was helpful to you, so God, see, I'll be showing you how I got 310 subscribers from just one video. Emphasis on one video. Let's dive ahead to the video immediately, because you too should go and subscribe to your channel and come back to thank me under my comment section. I was playing the YouTube page when I saw this video from Henry Neka, and I said, no, Eno, go and try it. Eno, you will try this thing and you will come back and testify. You will come back and testify of the goodness of God upon your channel. So yes, this is my channel. You can see it, and I'll be showing this record now. This is my channel, and you can see the video here. The video gave me 12,000 views. Let's check the analytics. Analytics gave me, I have 12,236 views, 542 likes, 210 subscribers, and 83 shares. Those that shared it. See, this is one of the highest views I have on my channel currently, and I'm hoping to grow and get more views. But currently, this is one of the highest videos that give me my highest view. And how did I do? If you check it, my audience, yeah, 18% South Africa, Nigeria 15%, Kenya 13%. And if see, they will go to tell, this is your most viewed shot. Wow, this is my channel, Grow with Eno. Yes, this is my most viewed shot. Wow. So this is how I did it, and I want you to go and do it and come back to this channel, to this video, under this video, and comment and say I did it and it worked, because it's going to work for you, definitely. So we are using the collab icon. Currently, the channel I used was this Prosperity X. That's the channel name I used. Sorry, let's go back. This Prosperity X is the channel I actually used to collab. This collab you are seeing on YouTube, it works. So collab with videos that are high performing. So I just click on the Prosperity X. This is their channel. This channel has been blessing YouTubers. I don't know, because most YouTubers have been saying that they use their videos and it works for them. You can use all their videos. Start with the highest performing video. This one that has 5.9 million views. Use that one. Then you click on collab, this plus icon here. Click on it, and it shows collab. You collab with it. When you collab with it, you start seeing growth. Fun enough, I did it not just once. I did it more than once. So I did it also, like I did it collab. Like I did it over and over again. I was still getting subscribers from my subsequent videos. Yes, so you can subscribe more than once. So I'm going to reduce so that the video will not be so long, but in your own, you have to increase the length to the highest, or depends on what you actually want. But because of this video, I don't want it to be so long, so I'm going to be reducing it to 4 seconds so that it will load on time. So I click on next. It's processing. See, this thing works. It works. You have to go and try it out for your channel and come back to this channel to testify that, oh, this thing actually worked for me. So let's go ahead. This is it. When you get here, you're going to be recording your face and recording it. So just click on record. Remember, you can increase the length of your video, but I want mine to be short because I'm doing a video record. That's why I just did it 4 seconds. So you increase your own by that button that I showed you earlier on. Increase your own with that. So when you are done, you don't have to do any much in the video. Just be showing your face. You can be reacting to the video. You don't have to do a reaction video now. You don't have to use words to react. Just be using your facial reaction. Oh wow, yeah, those kind of eye contact reaction and facial reaction. So click on next. You have to put other details too. Definitely, as a YouTuber, before you post the video, you put the description, put the title, and you can let the title match with. Sorry, you can let the title match with the main video. Just put a caption, My videos are always on public, and audience are not meant for kids. It's just an automatic setting I did. Put your description. You can put location if you want, but I will not advise you to put location. Then you can now tag them to another video on your channel, so that it will actually take them to a related video on your channel, so that when they watch that, they can still come to your channel and watch your other videos on your channel. Then when you are done, you put a caption and put maybe 1 or 2 hashtag, and you click on post or upload. See, what you should know is that for the first 24 to 48 hours, you may not be having views. So don't feel bad. Oh, she said it will work. It happened to me. I posted it the first 48 hours. I was not even having views and all that. I was having like, you may come back and see 1 view later, but by the time that video picks up, you start, the thing will not skyrocket. You start seeing views, back to back views. Not seeing that the views will not be skyrocketing, and as the views are going up, your subscribers too are going up. If you are a content creator who has been monetized or who is planning to be monetized, yes, I have a course that will teach you how to set up your payout account, from creating a TIN number and also creating a dollar account and also setting up your payout account. Those things are already embedded inside the course. So I'm teaching you how to set up your payout account, how to create a dollar account, and also how to create a TIN number. So do well to check the link in the comment section and get yours. So try it. If I will, you be trying it, I know you will try it. So come back to this channel to testify that, oh, it actually works for you, and I'll be glad that it worked for you. So do well to subscribe to this channel if this video was helpful to you, and don't forget that this channel is actually meant to teach you non-techie skills, AI tools, different skills that will help you grow as a YouTuber, as a content creator, and also as a business owner. So this is a channel you have to subscribe to, because I'll be teaching you different simple tech tools that you need to grow your business, that you need to grow as a social media content creator. I love you so much. This is Grow with Eno. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you like and drop your comments. Bye bye. See you in my next video.